I'm too excited. Umlingani wami umhlonishwa Siphelele Mkhonta. Ulokulaventele bantu baseMbabane, basedolobheni. My name is Honorable Futhi Ngamphalala from the Rubombo region. Ningatibuta ke timinyata lamuhla ukuthi umvaleli bonjeni emakhaya. Ngichamke emakhaya mbamba phela. Ngicandveni. Elibonjeni na undlule Big Band ngathi ukuthi nje nonke niyati ukuthi na uye elibonjeni ugcine Big Band la sebathi kanconywana ke bathi kufika kamathatha nasundlula kamathatha ke they don't know that there is another country or there is another part of the country that exists in Ngicandveni. That is where I come from, and here I am today eMbabane edolobheni. Ngiyatibuta ukuthi ngabe lo makhaya ufika njani la dolobheni. Let me write on the protocol observed, program director and everybody in the house. I greet you. Umhlonishwa Mkhonta, umhlobo wami from the house, the two houses of parliament. He comes from the other house and I come from the other house. I come from the House of Assembly. And that on its own should ring a bell. If a person from the House of Senate and somebody from the House of Assembly comes and stand and speak on the work that somebody from the House of Senate has done, it means a lot. Recently I learned two program director. There's a natural person and there's a legal person. Ngiyaliva nje la nikhuluma on the legal person. Ayiphela nami sengifundile nangifike eParliament ukuthi abantu bayithu there is a legal and the natural person. You are all talking about the legal person and I stand here to talk about the natural person. Behind the legal person. Behind the legal person there is Mr. Siphelele Mkhonta. Nikhuluma ngeBasadi, which has done so much for Mbabane, more especially Mbabane West, for Hoho regional football and everything else. But I have seen the natural person. That is why I am here all the way from Lubombo, where I stay. And I said, I cannot miss this opportunity. I have to be part of it and be a testament. What's behind the legal person, there is a natural person called Siphelele Mkhonta. You might have all the opportunity to meet the legal person, but I am so privileged to have met the natural person, lo Siphelele Mkhonta, lengisebente naye eParliament. Saphikisana ngokwemthetho. Saphikisana ngokwakhalive. And I saw what he has done. Siyanibongela Mbabane, I am here to congratulate you and the team that has eventually won the games. It's not only about the games, it's only about the motion behind, the motive behind. Ukuthi sidlalile ema-games esibantu abasha. Ema-games siwabonile ukuthi they can take us further beyond sports. Sports is not just an activity. It can take us to our job activities. Umuvu lomusha angakhula ngidlala ibhola mhlonishwa Mkhonta. Ngiyethemba ukuthi in the next league or whatever to come, sitawubona bamfu besifazane. Kungabi nje ngile football kuphela ema-males. I always advocate for female involvement, for women involvement. Akungabi nje ngoba bephela sifuna ibhola yabomake, be it netball, be it volleyball, but nabomake siyafuna kubabona ba-involved. A young man as you are, you have shown ukuthi you are not just into business, the legal person being Basadi, but you have a heart of the people baseMbabane. Bantu baseMbabane angifuni nje kube ngincempethisa nginikhulumisa lenzaba yenu yeHoho regional food. I will talk about the the natural person that is here behind everything. Mr. Siphelele Mkhonta. wathi nakathi uNkulunkulu bamfana baka Israel sebakhalile bakhala bathi we want ourselves to be set free sifuna kubuyela eveni labo uNkulunkulu send a person azange uNkulunkulu ehle yena njengaNkulunkulu himself but he sent a person, a human being who came walking on his feet, and an old person. And Sinega Basembabane, we are very fortunate. uNkulunkulu has sent us a young person. Lota ukula nathi and nature with you people of Mbabane and see the future of this country with you. Siyanibongela Basembabane. Kube bekuthiwa umuntu uyadobwa njengefishi. Ngabe ngiyamdoba umhlonishwa Siphelele Mkhonda. Ngimthathele ngimikisele elibonjeni for him to see the progress, the way forward, the vision that he has for this area and for this country and for young people bala eMbabane. Ngithi ke bantu baseMbabane, it is up to you. Kuthi niyafuna ukuqhubeka noma nimelani khona or you want to see Mbabane a better person, a better place that you are in. Nangabe niyadlala ke sitamdoba thina basefonjeni. We are ready for anything. The reason why I am here today is because I have seen what he is capable of doing. Having worked with him in Parliament, I think it's the third and a half years being together, I have seen the ability that he has to transform Timpilo Tebantu. Soma business law, njengawo wonke soma business law khona eveni. He would have just prospered his own business the way other business people would have done. But ukhetha ukuthi come to the people, come to the level of the people, and sikhule sonke, sinyuke sonke, siseMbabane, sisive saseMbabane. You are so privileged people, basedolobheni. That's one thing I can tell you. Thank you, my colleague. Thank you, Honorable Mkhonda, for Mutsanza baseMbabane. You have been doing business and doing it successfully so, but you decided to come to the people. And it is up to the people what they want to do with the abilities you have given to them. Thank you.